serocket.net is the site list that I'm recommending for this course. So this is SE Rocket. I've used them before. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they offer. But let's go down their website and let's see what's going on here. So instant access to fresh link lists uploaded daily. Link lists are ready to be imported to your favorite SEO tools to boost your ranking. So it's a list of websites, target websites that GSA is then going to submit your website to and create a backlink. So let's go over here, get sync with GSA. What was great is when I put it into Ahrefs, which is another SEO tool, it actually did show the EDU backlinks that I received from SE Rocket. So what they do offer is EDU and Gov backlinks, which are a little bit more stronger, more authoritative backlinks. So yeah, they actually offer link lists that are all EDU, which are kind of like Harvard University, Yale University type backlinks. They're very strong. Google puts a lot of authority on those type of backlinks. And what's great is they're already curated, and they have lists ready for you to just go ahead and download and use right away. So there's identified lists, which isn't necessarily verified. Here are the blog comments. There's actually 384,000 websites that they allow you to leave a blog comment on. Verified list, a little bit less than that. It's got about 20,000 blogs that are going to allow your blog comment on there. So we're going to go through some filtering methods to kind of maybe filter that down to maybe just the best of what they offer. But more or less, SE Rocket does offer more on the quality side when it comes to link lists. A lot of the link lists can have a lot of really spammy links in there and market it as if they have huge lists, but a lot of them are just kind of very spammy. I have used maybe 3 or 4 different link lists. I have used a bunch on this front page here. I'm not going to name them, but the one I recommend here is SE Rocket. It's also been recommended by a bunch of SEO black hat professional guys. So the one I did was for $50 a month. You get this huge link list. I'm not endorsing this in any way. I'm just recommending what I personally use, and I actually have it on my computer ready to show you. So for $50, I actually do think it's a great deal. You get the EDU Gov lists, and you get a huge list of blogs to post to and stuff like that. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more, you can find the full course on udemy.com. The link in the description.